Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Video News. I'm Gus.
I'm Cooper, and we have a bunch of things that we put in our new segments. And in our intro, we will be doing dad jokes, and the dad joke this week is, what do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef.
On to spell check. Hi, welcome back to a brand new episode of Spell Check. I'm Gus.
I'm Caitlin, and this week's word is echinococosis.
And I'm Gabby, and it's a type of disease.
Hi, I'm here with Lexi. I'm Connect 8th grade. What is your favorite thing to do outside of school?
Hang out with friends.
Do you know how to spell echinococosis? ECHINKOCUS. No.
Hi, today I'm here with...
Carly Nielsen,
What grade are you in?
7th grade,
What's your favorite subject?
probably math.
Do you know how to spell echinococosis?
No idea, but E-C-O-N something else, an E maybe.
Good try.
Hi, I'm here with...
Grady, and I'm in 6th grade.
How are you doing today?
Good.
That's good. Do you know how to spell the word echinococosis?
ECINA.
That's wrong. I'm sorry. Thank you for trying.
Thanks, Spell Check. This week, we're going around trying to find out what the beeping noise is coming from the electrical room.
But first, what do you think it is?
Today I'm here with...
Senora Free.
And what do you teach?
I teach Spanish and world language.
Perfect. And do you have any plans for Thanksgiving break?
My entire family comes to my house.
Fun.
Uh-huh.
And what do you think the beeping noise is in the hallway?
I think it could be aliens from outer space.
I agree.
And they are, watching over us and taking notes about how we run our school.
I agree.
Today I'm here with...
Brooklyn Head, 8th grade.
And what are you doing for Thanksgiving?
Hanging out with family.
Cool. I'm sure you've heard the beeping noise in the hallway. What do you think it is?
I think it's an evil monster haunting our school.
Today I'm here with...
Mr. Severson.
What do you teach?
I teach kids.
Okay. What are you doing for Thanksgiving?
Per our family kind of tradition, we all get together with my wife's Aunt Bonnie, and we'll have a lot of turkey and things like that. And then we'll also touch base over the Thanksgiving break with my family some, and just get a little work around the house.
Cool. I'm sure you've heard the beeping noise in the hallway.
It's crazy. It's maddening almost.
Okay. And what do you think it is?
I think someone has lost their cell phone in there, and they have all these reminders set for their calendars, like go to class, get this homework done, maybe go see a friend, whatever. They have all their reminders, and it's just that beeping reminder, and they just are too busy of a person, and now they're just crazy lost without their phone.
Thanks for all your thoughts.
Now, on to Titan Talk.
I'm Genesis,
And I'm Grace.
and welcome back to Titan Talk.
This week's question is, what's your favorite Thanksgiving food? Today I'm here with...
AJ Glinsman.
What grade are you in?
The 8th grade.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Pumpkin pie.
Today I'm here with...
Brogan Donovan, 6th grade.
What's your spirit animal?
A goat.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Stuffing.
Today I'm here with...
Tayden Fix, and I'm in 8th grade.
What is your favorite subject?
Math.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Ham.
I'm here with...
Anthony Ugolo.
What grade are you in?
8th grade.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Probably turkey.
Thank you everyone we interviewed this week.
And now on to Cooking 160.
Hi, I'm Hayden. And I'm Lexus. Welcome to Cooking 160. This week, we are doing Thanksgiving thing, and we're mixing things up.
This week, instead of you making it for us, we're making it and teaching you how to do it. And we're also making apple pie bites.
Let's get to it.
We already preheated the oven to 350.
Now we need to pour 4 tablespoons brown sugar and 3 teaspoons cinnamon.
And combine.
Mix that up. Now that is done.
Now we're going to use a spoon and put a tiny bit of butter on each apple crescent dough that we've already pre-made. And the best kind of dough to use for this is you can either pre-make your own apple pie dough, or you can get the Pillsbury crescent rolls from any local grocery store, and those work perfect.
After we are done with that, we're going to take this mixture, and with your clean hands, you're going to sprinkle some on the dough.
Make sure to use all of it. So start with a little on each and then add more if you need to.
Now that we have these all coated in brown sugar and cinnamon,
we're going to take an apple and put it at the wide end of each of the little triangles.
And roll those up when you're all done. Now that those are all rolled up, we're going to place them in the oven for 15 minutes. Now they're done.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Now on to you, sports stars.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sports Stars. I'm Caden.
And I'm Micah, and today we'll be interviewing some people around the Norse community on who they think will win the Nebraska-Iowa game on Friday.
Let's get to it.
Hey guys, I'm here with
Braden Russell Reeves.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
And do you play football?
Yes, I do.
What position do you play?
I play kicker.
And who do you think is going to win the upcoming Nebraska versus Iowa football game?
I believe that Nebraska is going to really hit them hard this week, guys. I'm looking forward to a great game.
Thanks, Brady.
Hi, I'm here with
Mr. Juergens.
Are you a teacher here?
Yes, I am.
What do you teach?
8th grade reading.
I heard you are a die-hard Nebraska fan.
I do like the Huskers, yes.
Only a little bit?
A little bit.
So, who do you think is going to win the Iowa-Nebraska game on Friday?
Ooh, that's a good question. Now, I will say Nebraska should win the game, but I have felt that way about a couple of games that it didn't quite work out in our favor. However, with the way our offense is rolling right now, I think I'm much more afraid of another high-scoring offense team against us, more so than I am a great defense like Iowa has. I think we're going to put up the points. I don't think Iowa's going to have the offense to match us. I'm going to say 38-24 Nebraska, and I say this, again, as a completely unbiased opinion.
Wow, those are some great interviews.
Now on to Titan Tunes.
See you next week.
Hi, I'm Bria. Welcome back to Titan Tunes. Today, I don't know where Chloe is, so we're going to have to find her. Oh, there she is. Who do you have with you?
Well, I found some people.
I don't actually know them.
Oh.
We're hitchhikers.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Oh, I'm Spencer Ryman. I'm in 7th grade.
I'm Garrett Namani. I'm in 7th grade.
Oh, do you guys like Disney songs?
Of course I do.
Yep.
That's nice.
All right, well, let's turn the radio on.
Yeah.
Man. If the wind on my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
Take my boat.
Do you want to build a
Snowman, come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away.
Means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Well, that's enough singing for today.
Bare necessities,
Gotta go.
that's why a bear can rest at ease.
Welcome back to the Play of the Week. This week we are focusing on integrity.
Now to the library with the Play of the Week.
Oh no, that's the bell. We probably should cut through the library. Don't cut through the library.
That's the Play of the Week! Thanks, Play of the Week. That was really cool.
Yeah, it was amazing. Thank you guys for watching this amazing video of Norris Titans Video News.
See you next week.